In fact, there are breaking inputs coming in just ahead of the Delhi election. BJP has released the second list of its candidates, 29 candidates for Delhi polls. Kapil Mishra will be contesting from Karawal Nagar, Harish Khurana to fight from Moti Nagar. Aam Aadmi Party turncoat Priyanka Gautam fielded from Kondli. 12 seats are still remaining now. This is the big breaking input that we are bringing to you. Let's also deep dive into what the political calculation is like. Turncoats from the Aam Aadmi Party like Priyanka Gautam have also been fielded from Kondli, and what we are learning is that 12 seats are still remaining to be declared by the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the second list of candidates has been released. It includes 29 candidates for the upcoming Delhi polls. Kapil Mishra will be contesting from Karawal Nagar. Harish Khurana is all set to fight from Moti Nagar. Let's quickly go across to Payal, who's joining me live. Payal, break down the mathematics for us.
29 seats in the first list and 29 seats in the second list, which means 58 seats declared. 70 seats are the total number of seats, 12 seats essentially remaining. That remains to be seen who the BJP really gives. But, the big tickets over Kapil Mishra, former minister, remember, he joined the BJP quite some time ago. In fact, he is currently being given a ticket from Karawal Nagar, the same place where he's always been contesting from. That's where his mother was also a mayor from, essentially. And remember, he was also a minister in the Kejriwal government, in Kejriwal 1.0 government. But since then, he's been the voice of Hindutva that the BJP has been using in every length and breadth of the country. Having said that, Harish Khurana has also got his chance to, in fact, show his mettle. He's been somebody who's been a spokesperson of the BJP. He's been somebody who comes in from the illustrious Khurana family, and of course, which was the last family that was able to, become the chief minister of the capital of Delhi that the BJP last time around had a government for. He's of course Madanlal Khurana's son. So essentially a very, very big family name coming in there as well. A little bit of a disappointment maybe for RP Singh, BJP's national spokesperson, who also was vying for a ticket. He's, of course, his seat has gone to somebody else. So the BJP announcing these seats, and now we are waiting to see out of the 12 seats, how many seats the BJP essentially Akacha gives to the alliance partners vis-a-vis JDU and, of course, Chirag Parsan and LJP.
Absolutely. And like you rightly said, Mr. RP Singh, let's hope his name too features in the third awaited list. Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us all those inputs. And with that, it's a quick wrap from my end. Thank you so much for watching the Supersat TV.